Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are essential for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a carefully designed and exceptionally secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all wiping out the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. Before we start with a nitty-gritty torrential slide cost expectation, we should plunge into the coin's outline, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunseyer in September 2020, predominantly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations principally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the Torrential Slide network will go about as a huge power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Torrential Slide will carry extremist change to back. The Torrential Slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other cutting-edge innovations. The urgent contrast between Torrential Slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential Slide, the innate potential. Without a doubt, the Torrential Slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will more often than not be the most alluring digital currency, essentially for its local token, AVAX, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Torrential Slide digital money, arising as a very powerful and lively power. AVAX will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of AVAX capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide, the people group and organizations. The fundamental point of the Torrential Slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Torrential Slide local area is humming about its achievements and huge commitment, particularly after Torrential Slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of Torrential Slide agreement and light engineering that offers more fair interest rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. AVAX offers its merchants a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with different biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a helpful local area around the world, in this manner making an equivalent, feasible, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, AVAX has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded AVAX. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the Torrential Slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivator program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with AVAX to assemble items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest joining is that of Chainlink managers and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential Torrential Slide organization. This combination will be super beneficial for the token as it will diminish the responsibility and upgrade the uptime and security of the Shrewd agreement. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $16.98, with a market capitalization of $5,533,107,200. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $136,543,245, with a flowing stockpile of 325,947,737 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The Torrential Slide figure is simply reliant upon digital money market development. A blast time for Torrential Slide drives the value estimate to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has gone the distance, so it is essential to realize that Torrential Slide's cost rise is sure before very long. In any case, carry out your own groundwork to measure your gamble resilience. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2023. In light of our Torrential Slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $15.01 and $36.46. Separately, the adjustment of the cost is supposed to be over 140%. With a typical cost of $25.74. AVAX Value Expectation 2024. As per Torrential Slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $30.76 to $44.28, where $30.76 is the base exchanging cost and $44.28 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $37.52. AVAX Value Forecast 2025. The Torrential Slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $41.50 and $59.74. Separately, according to our AVAX cost expectation 2025, while the typical cost may be $50.62, with a rate change of around 40%, Torrential Slide Coin Value Expectation 2026. According to our AVAX cost forecast, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $63.71, with a base and most extreme cost of $52.23 and $75.19. Separately, for the year 2026, the instability of the Torrential Slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost expectation. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In view of the AVAX cost forecast, our specialists propose that the Torrential Slide digital money might exchange a scope of $64.34 and $92.62 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest, while the typical exchanging cost of Torrential Slide might be $78.48. AVAX Expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost figure for the year 2028 proposes that the coin's typical cost might be $94.79, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $77.71 and $111.87. Separately, simultaneously, the Torrential Slide specialized examination uncovers that the rate change might be half. AVAX Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost forecast, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $116.44 for the year 2029, while the most reduced and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $95.46 and $137.42 individually. AVAX Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our Torrential Slide cost estimate shows that the possible high of the coin might be $170.69, with a likely low of $118.57 in the crypto market. The definite Torrential Slide cost examination uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $144.63. The market opinions oversee digital currencies. Thus, AVAX is no special case.